Good morning, dear students. Now revision of lesson 1, chemical reactions and equations. Okay children, as we know, actual scientific process or actual process is called reaction. For example, when zinc metal is added into acid, is chemical process, right? And scientific notation for the same process or for any scientific process is called equation. Equation is written in terms of physical states of reactants and products. In terms of nature of reaction, whether reaction is exothermic or endothermic, in terms of change in color from reactant to product side. Complete scientific notation, right, is called reaction equation. Okay, now first question is based on identification. Consider the following chemical reaction. Identify X and Y. Second part, the type of reaction. This is word equation, children. Only chemical name of one reactant is written here and chemical name of one product. Left side it is reactants, right side it is product. But one physical property of one product is mentioned here, which is white precipitate. PPT, it means precipitate, solid product. On the basis of this physical property, identify X and then Y. Here second product is sodium chloride. What is its chemical formula? Sodium chloride is NaCl. And chemical formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Right? This Cl2 containing reactant gives this Cl containing product. Right? What about sodium? Sodium is present in second reactant. Right? Chemical reaction, it means exchange of ions or formation of new chemical bonds. Right? The Cl is coming from this barium chloride and sodium from one sodium salt, one sodium compound, which can give white color precipitate of which group containing, which ion containing, barium containing. Right? Then what is the possible? This X reactant, possible X reactant is sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Complete formula. Not only NaSO4, Na2SO4. Valency of SO4 group is 2. Right? In each case, aqueous solution is taken. When aqueous solution of sodium sulfate reacts with aqueous solution of barium chloride, then cross reaction. Cross means cation of first molecule reacts with anion of second, and anion of first molecule reacts with cation of second molecule. Here anion is SO4 group, cation is Ba. Right? If possible, white product is BaSO4 and balance formula plus twice NaCl. Okay children? Identify X and Y. Here X is sodium sulfate and Y is barium sulfate. On the basis of physical nature, physical property of this product, which is Y. The type of reaction, this is precipitation reaction and double displacement reaction. Okay children? Precipitation, right? Because one product is insoluble. This reaction is a precipitation reaction and double displacement reaction. precipitation and double displacement. Double displacement. Single displacement when only one atom is displaced, and double displacement when two atoms are displaced simultaneously. Here is displacement of 2 and 2, right? So this is double displacement. Now second question, 2 grams of ferrous sulfate. This is chemical name of product. Crystals are heated in a dry boiling tube. Boiling tube, glass fed tube which can bear very high temperature. Not ordinary tube, boiling tube, right? And one condition is mentioned here which is crystal. Crystal means solid form of substance, pure form of substance. Color of crystal of ferrous sulfate is always light green in color, sea green color. 2 grams of ferrous sulfate crystals are heated in a dry boiling tube. When 2 grams of FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, it means FeSO4. Complete formula dot 7H2O. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means 7. Hydrate means water. Or heptahydrate ferrous sulfate is heated at high temperature. This is a symbol of heating. At high temperature, then what happens? In first step, complete loss of water molecule. Complete removal of 7 molecules of water. At second temperature, on further heating at high temperature, in second step, what happens? Conversion of this white color FeSO4 into reddish brown colored solid. Color of FeSO4 dot 7H2O is light green or sea green. But after complete loss of water molecules, ferrous sulfate, only FeSO4 appears in white color. And on further heating, red heating, then what happens? Conversion of white product to brown product. Right? List 2 observations. First observation, color changes from green to reddish brown because final product appears in reddish brown color. From green to reddish brown color. 2 observations. First, color changes from green color to reddish brown. Okay, there are different shades of brown: chocolate brown, coffee brown, reddish brown. What is the color of reddish? That final product, reddish brown color. Now, second observation. Second observation is based on complete chemical reaction equation. Complete chemical reaction equation for this is FeSO4 on heating at high temperature. One product is solid, which is Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. The equation is not balanced. Multiply this one by 2. Right here, 2 atoms are present. 2 FeSO4, then Fe2O3. Total oxygen 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sulfur 2 elements, 2. Iron 2, 2. Right. Okay, children. Now, what happens on complete heating? Heating at high temperature, then this green color, original color is green and final color is reddish brown color. First observation, color changes from one to another, from green to reddish brown. And second observation, pungent smell of sulfur dioxide and trioxide. Strong smell. This is odorless. Original solid is odorless. This one is also odorless, Fe2O3, but gases are ordered, full, pungent ordered gases, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, or you can write strong smelling products. Okay children, now next one, name the type of chemical reaction equation. What is the type of this reaction? Scientific notation is equation. This reaction is decomposition. One molecule gives 3 molecules. What is the type of this reaction? Decomposition. Right? Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Okay children, I am repeating. List 2 observations. First, color changes from green color to reddish brown color. Second, the smell of burning sulfur or pungent smell due to production of 2 oxides of sulfur. One is SO2, second is SO3. And second part of same question is name the type of reaction. This reaction is thermal decomposition. There are 3 types of decomposition reactions: photochemical, electrolytic and thermal. Here high temperature is provided, heating is done. Type of this decomposition reaction is thermal decomposition reaction. Okay.